1 a.m. right now, and I'm outside looking up at a massive thunderstorm. I know I got the first couple of flashes. The others aren't being exposed properly. Oh, that's a big one.
So try not to move too much. Keep it still.
Do you see this? It's like a strobe display in the sky. You can actually see where the clouds end by the reflection. Oh.
Perfect. All right. I think that's enough. We got footage.
Let's go on for third. Oh!
So
You can actually see the lightning there traveling from one cloud to another.
So what we can do is that we can take this footage, remove the audio, and then actually make this into a horror clip or something. Put it as part of something else. We can make our own little horror video. Or anything else, really. We can do a lot with this.
This is incredible.
Plus, you know, just the fact that it's pretty interesting in and of itself. It's a chain lightning effect, it seems.
Yeah, I saw a bolt go from that cloud to that cloud.
Yeah. It's all inter-cloud stuff, but it has been messing up my computer a bit.
Well,
Interference, yeah, electromagnetic.
electromagnetic effects